Hi. Good to see you. So I've recently got a package from Nature Tats. They asked me to look at some samples and see if there's something I could have in my shop. The Wizard's Keep in Springfield, Vermont. And so I'm going to take a gander at these. Right now I'm redoing my shop, so I'm here in my office slash dining room slash kitchen. And it's a rainy day outside. It's May 13th. What day of the week is it? It's a Wednesday. So this is kind of cool. These are pretty cool. They sent out a bunch of little, they're temporary tattoos. Great for like theater or movie production or just for shits and giggles. They sent out some cool designs. They've got some flowers. Looks like a raven or a crow, a blackbird. Some more flowers, like maybe some Queen's Anne lace or something like that. I don't know. A little fox. This is great for your kids. Oh, I totally got to try this with my kids. A bunch of even smaller ones, some mushrooms, snail, mushrooms, a butterfly. These are pretty cool. They got some great packaging for them too. So it's Nature Tats. Let's see if they got a... Yeah, you can check out their stuff. NatureTats.com. That's NatureTats.com. They're out of Texas. It's great. It's cool. Totally going to hang these up in my shop. Thank you, Nature Tats. I'll try to tag you in, I don't know, Facebook, Instagram, something like that. Put this video up so you can use it. Wonderful stuff.